The value feedback leadership behavior underscores the importance of actively seeking, giving, and utilizing feedback to foster personal and organizational growth. In the upstream offshore oil and gas industry, where operations are inherently complex and high-risk, feedback is critical for enhancing safety, improving performance, and promoting a culture of continuous improvement. Here are detailed expectations, explanations, and examples of valuing feedback in this context. Promote an open feedback culture. Foster an environment where feedback is freely exchanged among all team members, regardless of their position. An open feedback culture encourages transparency, trust, and mutual respect, which are essential for identifying and addressing issues proactively. As an example, a manager holds regular open forums where team members can share their thoughts on operational processes, safety practices, and team dynamics without fear of reprisal. Seek feedback proactively. Actively seek feedback from peers, supervisors, and subordinates to understand your impact and identify areas for improvement. Proactively seeking feedback demonstrates humility and a genuine commitment to self-improvement and leadership effectiveness. As an example, an offshore installation manager regularly asks for feedback from the crew on their leadership style and the effectiveness of safety measures, showing a willingness to adapt and improve. Provide specific, constructive feedback. Give feedback that is specific, actionable, and focused on behaviors or processes rather than personal attributes. Constructive feedback helps individuals understand what they are doing well and where they can improve, fostering personal and professional development. As an example, after a safety drill, the safety officer provides specific feedback to the team, praising their quick assembly at the muster point and suggesting improvements in communication during the drill. Respond to feedback positively. Receive feedback with openness and gratitude, regardless of whether it is positive or critical, and take appropriate action based on the feedback received. How leaders respond to feedback sets a tone for the entire team, encouraging more open and honest exchanges. As an example, a project leader receives feedback that meetings often run over time and are inefficient. They thank the team for the feedback and work to create more focused agendas and ensure meetings end on time. Implement feedback for continuous improvement. Use feedback to make informed decisions and implement changes aimed at improving processes, safety measures, and team performance. Feedback is a valuable resource for continuous improvement, helping to refine operations, enhance safety protocols, and improve team dynamics. As an example, following feedback about the inadequacy of emergency signage on the platform, the operations team undertakes a project to review and enhance all safety signage, making it more visible and informative. Encourage peer-to-peer feedback. Encourage team members to give and receive feedback among themselves, facilitating a culture of peer learning and mutual support. Peer feedback can provide unique insights and foster a collaborative environment where team members help each other grow and succeed. As an example, implementing a peer review system where team members can give each other constructive feedback on safety practices and operational procedures. Regularly review feedback processes. Continuously assess and refine the feedback mechanisms in place to ensure they are effective in capturing valuable insights and promoting growth. Regularly reviewing feedback processes ensures they remain relevant, efficient, and supportive of the organization's evolving needs. As an example, annually surveying employees to gauge the effectiveness of the current feedback system and making adjustments based on the survey results to better capture and act on feedback. Valuing feedback within the upstream offshore oil and gas industry not only drives improvements in safety, efficiency, and performance, but also fosters a culture of openness, trust, and respect. By embedding these expectations into their leadership practices, leaders can create an environment where feedback is not just exchanged, but is actively used as a tool for personal and organizational advancement.